Hello everyone, welcome to Amateur Decorating Like a Pro. I'm Catherine.
Well, happy day again, everyone. If you could see me, you would see that I am in sweats and covered in paint. I finished up one of the walls in our office, and I'm so happy to have control of the living room. I was so happy to see everything finally come back together. I just could not resist bringing down the Christmas trees from the attic just to get a vision for the holidays. Some may say that it's a little too soon, but I know in our family things just kick off in the month of November, and then I'm just too tired to even consider decorating for Christmas like I want to. But I have an open collab. I've already sent out invitations to a few people, and they did respond. I'm so happy. Now, I do strive to focus on the business of YouTube over the course of the year, but I do focus on my business, which really takes me away sometimes. And it seems that having a nice collaboration at the end of the year gives me peace, and I really look forward to the Christmas collaboration. A lot of people shun them. They say it's competitive out there, but guess what, guys? I don't have time to worry about that. What God has for me, He has for me, and what He has for you, He has for you. I also want to encourage you, if you are trying to get a YouTube channel started, well, go ahead and get your feet wet. Do a collaboration once that is wide open for you. So let's see what you can do out there, and God bless you with any success that you may have. Here I have posted the guidelines for the collaborations. Kept it very simple, guys. My Christmas, My Style 2018. Include the hashtag within the first two lines of the information that you put in the information box. And honestly, that's all I'm going to put in my information box is the hashtag, and then my other contact information that I normally include there, and maybe some links to a video. And again, just follow this schedule. November 2nd, November 9th, November 16th, November 23rd. They're all on a Friday. So I know that we can all just get excited about this, because this has been a very hectic time for the majority of us with the weather and everything else. So I hope you guys will participate. And one more thing, even if you don't do all of the weeks and you do a couple of them, and or you are running behind the schedule a little bit, that's okay. I mean, this is still going to exist as long as you just use the hashtag and the title. You are a part of a collaboration. And much love and thanks to those channels who've already committed to participate, even if they cannot do every single week. Two Box Divas, Glam Everything, Bree's Project Book, Kenya's Decor, Decorating with Barbara, Glamorous Penny Pincher, Ashley the Thrifty Cheeker, and a couple more, guys. So thank you all so much. My throwback moment here, I decided to do a little ugly Christmas sweater. Okay, it was practically 75 degrees outside and I was burning up. I think that's why I could hardly smile. I was hot. I'll never do that again. Thanks a lot for watching, everyone. And remember, stay in prayer and stay creative. See you in the collab.